Yo, what's going on, traders? I hope you're all having a great day. It's Raphael back at the charts again. I hope you're all having a good time. You're all healthy, wealthy, and all that good stuff. Well, in today's video, I want to talk about the trades that I took yesterday on US30 that I've lost. I took a big loss. I was risking a little bit more than 1% per trade. I took three losses in a row. I took the first trade. My zone got broken. I was thinking that it's just a liquidity grab. The market just slapped me in my face on my next sell position and on the third one as well. I was jumping the gun. I was not really waiting for a nice confirmation that really sellers are getting into the market, and I've not waited for my pattern, which fucked me up really. And I was so pissed after yesterday because I didn't really stick to my plan. I was trading Dow Jones, lost a lot of money, and yeah, today I decided to just stick to my market to gold. Took a nice entry on gold, but first of all, let me show you what happened yesterday on US 30, dirty 30. Well, I was watching the 1 minute chart and got tricked into the market like crazy, guys. If you're looking from the 1 minute perspective, market tapped into that zone and then some selling pressure came in, and this was the reason why I took the trade. Then I got stopped out, and as you can see here again on the 1 minute chart, we kind of like broke the structure in here. You see that? And I was like getting in again because I expected a huge drop. We had so crazy drops on Dow Jones the recent days, so I really expected a bigger drop on Dow, but it just kept going and going. And yeah, at the end, it just caught up in the consolidation, and yeah, stopped me out later on. It was just moving to the upside, and yeah, I was on the wrong side. Took one trade that was alright, but the other two trades, I was not patient enough to wait for clear confirmation. I know there are a lot of traders out there who are watching right now who have the same problem with patience and with jumping the gun, and even these kind of mistakes, they happen to me as well as an experienced trader. Sometimes getting too emotional about my entries, I have the fear of missing out on a good run. It's part of the game. Yeah, we have to overcome this hurdle and take good decisions, but sometimes on some days I take my losses, and then it's very important for you guys that you stop, because you can fall into that trap of this raging mode, because you get so angry, you want to make back the money, and then you get in again and again and again, revenge trade, and lose all your money. That's so fucked up. I know many of you have been through it at least once in your trading career, and it really feels bad. So guys, you have to stick to your rules, set up a rule, set up a game plan. Creating rules for your trading is so important for your success as a trader. So make sure to set up some rules to avoid these scenarios, to avoid revenge trading. And if you take two or three losses in a row, just stop it. You're on the wrong side for the day, so just stop trading and wait for another day, wait for another setup, and then really wait for the setup. I broke this rule and I'm so pissed that I've lost this money, but I know I will make it back, no problem. But yeah, it kind of pissed me off. I wanted to start December a little bit better. Like the last 3 months in September, I made a great profit around 700 grand. October was great as well with over 600,000, and November was great as well with nearly 600. So yeah, the last 3 months have been amazing. Let's see if we can make the same thing in December as well. Yeah, I think we are going to do that if we stick to the setup, man. Let's see what we had on gold today, guys. I expected a bullish move. Why? Because we broke a significant lower high and market came back. You see that we tapped into a very significant zone in here. Market showed a nice reaction, so I was looking for a buy entry. Overall, I was thinking the market is ready to go bullish. I was getting in late London, and I tried to hold it through New York, but got stopped out. Unfortunately, the first two targets got hit. I was able to bank 120,000, which is nearly 2%. But the higher targets didn't got hit. I mean, TP3 got hit lately, but before that, we grabbed a lot of liquidity in here. And then the market made a nice push to the upside, and we didn't got involved. But anyways, not a problem at all. Thank you for that cookie, buddy.
My pleasure, boy.
Yeah. But anyways, we took a nice trade on gold today. Missed out on that huge run, but not a problem at all. So the reason why I took this trade, I mean, I've shared this with everybody in the free chat. If you're not inside yet, check it out. In the link is in the description. Why I took that trade, that buy trade, guys? Well, first of all, many sellers got tricked into the game. I mean, if you're a buyer in here and you have your stop sitting here or wherever, your stop got grabbed, and then we had this huge move to the upside. And I was like, okay, let the market come back into this area in here where others got stopped out, and then I'm getting in. This is what I love to see when the market stopped out some buyers or sellers. This is where I want to get in when the market comes back into that zone. Worked out pretty nice. We took some profits, moved the stop to break even, took that profit, guys. It was a great trade. Let's see if we can do it again tomorrow. I mean, a lot of liquidity got grabbed in this area in here. So if the market comes back into that zone, it could be an interesting area to look for another reversal pattern, step it into the game with a buy position in this zone in here. We will see. We will see. I will keep you updated if I'm going to take this trade tomorrow. If the market comes back, gives us a nice opportunity, or maybe we can get a nice opportunity within that running bullish trend move and maybe go for another move until 1800, somewhere in here. 1800 would be nice. I'm sure we can get there because we still have some imbalance in here that needs to get filled. I'm sure we are going to see a nice bullish move. Let's try to get involved in there. I'm sure we are going to find a nice entry in there. Let's see, guys. I will keep you updated anyways. And yeah, have a great evening and wish you all the best, guys. Peace. Every time I, my body in